Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring Ole Smoky's Butter Pecan Moonshine. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit more about this particular Ole Smoky product?
I will. Another beautiful Old Smoky product here. This beautiful butter pecans on the bottle there. Love these mason jars. Make you feel like you're at home with that moonshine up in the mountains there at Tennessee. Like this is Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine, Butter Pecan Moonshine. 17.5%, kind of like the Java Mountain was, which is a combination of corn-based moonshine, dairy milk, cream, butter, caramel, toasted pecans, and other natural and artificial flavors. Some cocktails you can make with this is the Pecan Slope, the Butter Pecan Wake Up Call, and the Toasted Nightcap. So the cool thing is we actually were at the distillery back in 2017, and this was a distillery-only product, but this is the original bottle has this at top on it, whereas ones you get here on the market have that on it. So that's how you know it's a comparative display. This is one we got for free from the distillery because they're awesome. They also have these cool pours you get from there, from the distillery as well to help pour your moonshine. So it's fun. All right, so there's some more fun stuff about them. Oh, let's see what we think of it.
I'm doing moonshine in quotes.
Yes.
It's
We really think this is a liqueur, but it's got the label says moonshine, but it has cream and things in it. Generally makes this called liqueur, but whatever. We're big fans of them, but I'm pretty confident this is a liqueur. Butter pecan, toast, nutmeg, cream, butter, caramel.
Are you getting like a peanut brittle?
Yeah, so it's like, except for it's more like a pecan brittle.
Yeah, but it's that spun sugar.
It's that hard, however they make. I guess you put it in a frying pan basically and put with sugar. Yeah, it's basically make peanut brittle, but yeah, it's exactly what it smells like.
With pecans.
Yeah.
And there's almost a waxy walnut in there as well, like just the waxiness of a walnut.
Oh, and this with pecan pie is amazing.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah, I've eaten it together. So good. Yeah, this is like bottle number 3 or 4. So this is my wife's absolute favorite thing Old Smoky makes is butter pecan. Yeah, this is like probably bottle 4 or 5 at this point. Also, my friend Michelle, that she unfortunately passed away a few months ago, this was also one of her favorites. I used to give her these for her birthday. I bring this to her, and I know it's funny. I was at Pete's house the other night. There's still one in the fridge, so see that memory of it in there. So hopefully at some point he'll get to drink that or Courtney or somebody, but it's kind of cool to see that still hanging out in there.
Ugh.
I don't know.
Here goes nothing.
A little too sweet for Will, apparently.
Oh, that one's way sweeter than the coffee.
Oh, it is, yeah. It because you're taking butter pecans, toast, nutmeg, super creamy, sea salt, caramel, lots of sugar. Like I said, this has to, I know it's labeled moonshine. It's totally liqueur. I mean, you find it in the liqueur section with the moonshine, so I think it's whatever. It's just funny. Oh, good to refrigerate these after opening. By the way, anybody that gets these, make sure you refrigerate them because they're cream based. Otherwise, you get chunky fun stuff in them. Good time.
Yeah,
they're gross.
Mm-hmm. The palate is basically what was on the nose, except just the sweetness levels dialed up to 10.
Yeah, it's way sweeter than the Java one.
Again, like the Java one, the alcohol is almost non-existent in there.
Yeah, it's scary. That this is, you could drink this like a milkshake. Same thing. I think you did same with the Frappuccino instead of the butter pecan version.
Yeah.
There's some ice in there. Fabulous stuff. It's good for coffee. It's good stuff. They're doing a really good job with their flavors out there at Old Smoky.
Well, I mean, there's a reason that they're the most visited distillery. They have literally something for everybody.
It's pretty much. I mean, I know we went there. We probably tried. We got lucky enough to meet up with Johnny Baker, who's the owner of Old Smoky. We went to things. We tried pretty much everything they had. We probably tried close to 40 things with him. We obviously did not drive after that. We had to eat many things and drive a few hours later. So it was good times, but it was fun. But yeah, I like Old Smoky a lot. They're fun people, so I enjoy this.
It's a little sweet for my palate, but I can understand exactly why this sells well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You got anything else?
Yeah, the cool thing is when they do sell all the distillery, this is how they become products you buy on the regular market, and it's sold really well at the distillery, and that's why it's a regular product now. Because we brought it down for an event with Bo, and people were like, that's amazing. And thankfully, about a year later, it showed up on the regular market. It had done so well. So
that's pretty awesome. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.